Right now, I'm actually right outside of Columbus, Ohio, and I just ate lunch at a diner inside of a train.
Located off of Interstate 71 in Bellville, Ohio, the Buckeye Diner provides old-fashioned American fare in an old-fashioned American train. How could I pass it up? Sure, you can always eat at one of hundreds of McDonald's or Burger Kings along the way, with both literally flanking the diner, but how often do you get the chance to eat on a train during a cross-country car road trip? The Buckeye Diner is as atmospheric on the inside as the outside suggests. I tried the Woody Burger myself, which features their signature horseradish bacon sauce, a daring combo which, although messy, was actually quite delicious. Outside, the property features many figures of Western Americana, such as a Native American and a teepee. And no Western-themed restaurant will be complete without a cowboy and his cow. Well, after apologizing to the cow for presumably eating its brethren, I happened to run into another YouTuber.
I come here about every year. I had the pizza burger this time, it was pretty good.
So I just ran into another YouTuber. I guess that's gonna happen. You're gonna get 1 of 2 reactions, or really 1 of 3 reactions. Where you're walking around filming yourself. You're either gonna spark the interest of other YouTubers, nobody's gonna care, or people are gonna think you're completely insane. I'm okay with all of them, and I'm still debating the insane part. So, anyway, off to Cincinnati.